Hi everybody, here is another mushroom project. I appreciate very much the light on this one. This is also kind of a mushroom family. So like the other two, I started with the black around them so that when I fill the background it will be easier and faster and will not bleed to the inside of the mushrooms. And that's what I did first, like with all the other two. I used a spear point shader for this. I think it's the most versatile tip that I have because of the sharp edge, and I am also able to shade at the same time. So I kind of use it for almost everything. Then I moved along to the darker mushroom, the one on the bottom left. If you notice, the light will change on the inside of the mushrooms, from the middle of them to the top. You have all these ridges have one side of them that is more blurry and another side that is more sharp. If you pay attention, that sharper side will change because of the light. So you have to be facing your tip from the middle of them to the top on one side and the lower part of the mushrooms on the other side. I hope you understand what I'm saying. On this one, the moth is very dark in the print I have. The original picture has more detail. But anyway, it's kind of random and mostly dark. You have light on this little bit and also a little bit on the top right of the moth. So all the rest and near the mushrooms. All the rest is kind of random. You can add this texture, random texture. So this is the third one. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.